Hello traders, this is DFXS. Welcome to TFX family, and I believe that guys, you are all doing good. All right, my guys, my traders, my fellow traders, my fellow future and today's millionaire. Guys, today I just want us to analyze uh, technical analysis into this MT5. This is we will use TFX Fisher, the best EA that, guys, I don't know which is the best of the best because all our EAs are the best. And this is why we want all traders to have our EAs, because they will save your time, whether it is manual, whether it is the EA, it will save your time, guys. It will really save your time and money. And to make money or transform your financial status, that is a sure bet. It is a sure bet. And this is why I just want to analyze the market with you guys, because I do believe everyone have the Forex basics, and I know you know what I'm saying. And if you are still a new beginner in Forex market, this is the best company to work with. These are the best of the best software developers and experienced trader that you really need to work with. So guys, let us analyze some technical analysis about TFX Fisher. And I said any of our TFX EA, don't get confused. Any of our TFX system, it analyze the market. So don't think which one or which one, just whatever you will fall in love with, because they have different strategies. That is the one that you'll go with. But trust me, all our system, they do full technical analysis, and it is beyond that. Why? Because it will do a candle analysis or charts analysis using the candle charts, and from weekly to minute one, and it will also mix with the Renko. So it is a combination of Renkos and candles. So if you have heard that the Renkos is always the best, and because of filtering noises and give the perfect entry, we are leading in Forex market to have the best of the best Renko system that no one has in Forex market. Trust me, do your research and you'll find that we are the only one with the Renko file that no one has it in Forex market. So believe it or not, you have your time. Do your research, my friend. You have YouTube. Go everywhere. You'll see that we are leading in the entire world, whether you believe it or not, to have a technical systems that they can do everything for you, and you just sit there and watch money, the system banking money on your behalf. And guys, don't forget the money management. It's always advisable to be applied. Now, let us start our TFX, the Fisher, the system that can analyze the market. I just want to show you how you can do, and all our systems, let me repeat this, you can do any of the trading that you want, whether it is scalping, whether it is a long-term, wherever, it is your choice. Now, the TFX Fisher here, I'm just going to show you how it can do long-term trading. The same thing you can do scalping, and the same thing also you can do a day trading. That will depend with what you want. It will suit you. And you have to follow some few rules that I will show you here so that it can help you a lot, guys. Now, let us start with this one that picks the trade here. This is a Boom 1000. And here I'm using the long trade. Let us check where the Boom 1000 is. This is a Boom 1000. It is a sell. It will sell at this point after everything. But not only that, let's go back to see the sell setup that is there on a candle chart. So when we jump to our candle chart, you can see we're coming from this zone, all right? A very perfect sell, my friend. This is a perfect sell. And it must mix this one with the Renko. This is why the Renko, when the Renko says sell, sorry for that. When the Renko says sell, it will check also what is happening on a weekly time frame. because the work of the Renko, it is to analyze from monthly to minute one. But that is not enough. It must also look what is happening on our weekly time frame, all right, or a daily time frame. So it is the work of the system. Our Renko file will do everything. We'll check whatever is happening on a candle chart and also what is happening on our Renko chart. Now, let us check here. You can see here, there is a sell. Let us jump again to this jump of 75 and see what is there so that we can analyze them all on our Renko chart. You can see also our jump 75, which has already took the sell. It's also in a sell in a weekly time frame from this zone. This is the work of the system, my friend. You do nothing, but this is to educate you to understand why our EAs are the best of the best, because they do analysis that you cannot do it manually. You cannot do this, my friend, because there is no way you will go to do chart analysis. There is no way you'll go also to mix with the Renko. You are in Renko and Kanto. You'll get confused when it comes to take the trades. This is why you really need TFX company to help you save your time. Even if it is manual, our manual also analyzes the market for you. So you can see we are coming from the sell, and this is why the sell signal now, it is valid when it comes to Renko charts. So where is this jump 75? Here we go. And you can see now the jump 75, it is with a good sell. Now, these two trades that are here, forget about this one. This one were taken by doing scalping, because this is where you can see it. Scalping is hit and run. You don't expect a big number here of a profit, just a small, because it's a hit and run. But you can see in a very single day, we already from the morning, this is less than 3 hours, and we have already made $49. And you can see we also have $7 here. This means even if we can close the market from there, we are good to go if we can have even $50. Here in Africa, $50 is more than enough for the basic, for the daily basics or the things that you need to do in every day. So, but don't worry, continue growing, my friend. This is the setup of a long term. And I just want to help you guys understand why long term and why scalping. Scalping is hit and run strategy. And when we are doing scalping with this, I've already shared this, I think, on our VIP group. When it comes to this DFXS, we will set here 21. And that's not enough. You can also use 36, the DFXS settings here period. You can use 36 and set your EA, the reverse condition, into true. So the best of the best scalping here, it is to use reverse condition. I want you to understand this. All our system, if you want to do any of the scalping of hit and run, because we all know when you took the trade, even if you have done a good analysis, they might have a small or a pullback before the market goes with its direction. You will find that the reverse condition will catch up all those trades. And that's why we made like $49. But I also set it for a long trade, guys. I set it for a long trade. And I want to give you the difference in between a long trade and a short trade, or a scalping hit and run strategy. When you are using a long trade, you must have a good capital. That is number one, because you are not hunting what is happening when it is when the market is reversing. What you're hunting, it is to make money from this area to where the market is right now. You go for long, right? Like now you can see there is a pullback here, whereby here the market is saying sell, right? But my friend, let me check if I will find something here. There's something I want you to get it, my friend. Yeah, something like this. This is jump 70, jump 50. and it is in a weekly, you can see there is this candle that is dropping, but the truth is this is a bullish market. So we have this small pullback before the market going up. Let's see what is happening on a Renko chart with this jump 50. Here we go. You can see the same candle we are seeing there dropping. You can see it is this area, right? But the market is a bullish. So this EA, it won't sell this one. It will wait the market to start continue going in a buy trade so that it can take that trade. For this pullback, it won't take any trade. But my point is here, when it comes into long trade, because the market is a bullish market, the EA will be looking for this trade. And if you are using a hit and run strategy, instead of the market take the buy, it will take sell, because there is a small pullback here in candles. The same thing we are seeing here in on our candle chart. There is a pullback of only one candle. But here, before the market going back, there will be a small pullback whereby you can hit like $3, $5. We don't go for many dollars when it comes to hit and run, unless you are using a big lot size. But when using a minimum lot size, you just go for $1, $2, or $3 with multiple position, because it's a hit and run that you can use a big lot size, or you can use a multiple position and exit with the account target or local local target. You know how to set that, because we have already shared that. So you can set $10, have a big lot size. When it hits $10, then it will take the trades with account profit target. But for long traders, that pullback, it will give you a negative, but your account can hold that negative, because now what you are looking for with for instance with this D-Fisher, it is to milk this market from this area to somewhere this area, because your closing order, it should be close by candles 4, close by bars 4. So we're expecting when the market will hit this area to another resistance and drop like 4 candles, it will pick trade. You can also exit with this resistance by allowing, let me show you, exit by zone. If I set exit by zone, this means my EA will pick trade from this level, not here, this level, and it will milk the market all the way until it hits the next resistance. So if you set your exit buy zone into true, when it hit this this zone, it will take the profit automatically. So it won't wait for 4 opposite candle in order for this system to take the trade. It will only take the profit after hitting this resistance. So if it is dropping, and maybe let's say there was a sell and you have set your exit by zone into true, it will hit this area and take profit automatically. That is what I want this thing to sink in your mind, because it is very, very important to understand why hit and run and why long trade. So long trade, it means that you will eat good. You will have a good profit. You will eat good, my friend. Even if you are using a minimum lot size, you will eat good, because you'll be patient with the market. If it is a buy from this area, you can milk the market, leaving the market to continue going up until where you want to exit, right? You can exit with zone if you want to milk the market. Are you getting my point, guys? So hit and run, you don't go for long trade. You know, it is very, very bad for someone to say, I was in profit, but after some few minutes or 1 hour, now I'm experiencing loss. Hit and run It's like taking what you see, because you're not going with the trend. You just need a sniper entry, and get some few pips, and you get out of from the market. But holding, yet you are scalping, this means you didn't even calculate what kind of a trade you want. You know, some people, they call themselves scalper, but they want to hold for big profit. That is wrong. A scalper is a hit and run. You do hit and run, right, guys? So as a scalper, you are not holding for more profit. You take what you see according to your strategy, because it's hit and run. But if you're a long trader, you can't talk about the negative. You talked about if the market is still going with your own direction. And this is why we combine both candle charts and Renko charts in order to have a perfect entry. So it doesn't matter who is working with Renko outside there. If it is not mixed with the Renko chart, with the candle chart, trust me, there is no profitable trader in Forex market without knowing or doing good professionally a good analysis, technical analysis, or chart analysis. If you learn how to do chart analysis from big time frame to small time frame, you are good to go. So guys, you can imagine we coded our system to do that, to analyze the candle charts from big time frame to small time frame, and also mixed with the Renko. So no one can tell, oh, Renko is Renko, I have it. Candle, I have it. I mix them all and have a sniper's entry. This is why even the result on our Telegram is unbelievable. A lot of people can doubt. I remember someone told me, oh, my friend, is it true? Oh, my friend, you still doubt? You think we are editing? No, this is TFX company, my friend. We know what we are saying, and this is why I'm explaining this, to help you understand that all our system, they do technical analysis, all those chart analysis professionally, together with the Renko, that no one has this Renko. They are online only with the TFX. Right, guys? So you can understand now, if you want to do a scalping, we have two settings with our TFX feature. We said, for instance, if now we want to change this one into 21, and for the 21, it's more of scalping than long trade. Get this in mind. I said you can use the period 36 for long term, but you can also use the period 21 for scalping. And you can also use the level 36 for scalping by setting the EA reverse condition. The 21, you can set it also reverse condition, so that you can have hit and run, have account profit target for not exceeding even $10, have a big lot size, or multiple trades that can give that $10 fast as possible. Right, guys? Now, if I set there 21, you must set here also 21. This is the feature period. You can set here 21 in order to match what you want. And also remember, it is not a must to attach the feature, but we attach the feature there in order to help you understand how it works and how you can set, right? It's not a must to attach the feature, but it is good to know, to see it there so that you can see what you want. I'm giving you two profitable setups for 21 and 36 using reverse condition or a reverse signal into true if you are doing scalping, and have a target of $10, because that is what many times we make a lot of money with only target of $10, right? But because of entries, it will still pay the bills. So you have the target of local target. We have the setups or the settings of local targets, and we also have account profit target. You can see it is 10 by default, so you can activate this, and also you can activate local account target. Local account target means the single chart, when it gets into $10, it can close the market, and if all account can get into $10, then it will close every running position and wait for a new. So it will include these negatives. It will close even the negative as far as the total here reads $10. So it will save you maybe for the account, some trades that maybe they would have gone wrong, but that is the work of account profit target. That is for hit and run strategies. For the long-term traders, you can all wait for the EA to cross after the four opposite bars from your direction, and or you can activate the exit buy zones. So if you set exit buy zone, this means it will be trading from the support to resistance or from the resistance to support according to what is happening also in candle chart. And trust me, and I know you know these guys, there is no way, if you can do your analysis properly in weekly time frame, there is no way it can fail you in small time frame. You can imagine now it is mixed with the wrinkle. There is no way it can fail you. There is no way it can fail you. For instance, now I can say, oh, my friend, I just want to take this because this is $12, yeah, because I can wait for V75 because it can continue going. My friend, you can see now I'm in $62 profit. I don't care about the big account I can have. No, what I care is to make sure my account, it is there to protect me and help me to earn according to what my basics needs, or to cover my bills. So you will find someone with $200, $500, $1,000, or $100. My friend, he want to be a millionaire with a single day. You can't survive in Forex market. In Forex market, it's all about money management and having the right tool, period. If you can manage your account, if you can have this in your mind that there is no way you can survive in Forex market without money management, my friend, without that in your mind, Forex is not for you, my friend. Your greediness will cost you a lot because you'll be losing money, looking for another, losing money again, and looking for another money. This is why TFX, we're here to help you. And this is why even our manual system cannot allow you to trade against the market, because we have, to some people, we must force discipline to them. And if you know you lack discipline in trading, please make sure you have our TFX manual system, especially TFX Nairobi plus the Ambacas. Have the system. It will teach you the discipline, because you can't trade against the market, my friend. Right? It's very simple. It does also analysis for you guys. The other thing I will cover into this video, let's say it will be according to your equity, because it's very, very important. If we open here our EA, you will find that, and it is to all who have our system for MT5 also and MT4. You can see here we have 1, 2, 3. We have 3 strategies, and these I always say, those are 3 EAs in one system. So activating these 3, this tells us now your account is run by 3 EAs. And maybe you have a small account. You don't have to run all EAs, because it is dangerous, because if all EAs can open the position, this means you'll have 3 positions at once. All right? You'll have 3 positions at once. And if, for instance, again, you have set instant execution or opening trades like 3, this means it can be 9 trades at once. That is risking your account. In another video, when we were talking about the money management, we were talking about if you have $100, activate just 1 strategy or 1 EA. Now here, you can deactivate this strategy 1 and the strategy 2. You can allow the strategy 3 now to work with your $100 account. And trust me, each and every day, it will grow more than 5% of $100. Because some people, they are not comfortable. And this is the big mistake a lot of people, they do in Forex market. When you have $100, if you can grow your $100 with 5% and above every day, that is a great growth in Forex market. In some days coming, that 5%, it will be unimaginable money. But when someone with $100, you'll see that someone with $100, he want to make more than 10, 20, more than 40, 50. He wants even 100% profit. He wants to double account in a single day because of the history you have from others. What is your history? Ask yourself today, what is your history? Have you ever, or do you double your account every day? Or you have the history of blowing your account because you want to trade like Mr. Blah, 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 right? You can't trade like me, my friend. You don't know my equity. I can tell you, I doubled from account. Yes, I was gambling. Are you a gambler in Forex market, guys? So someone want to grow the account 100% to double, or even to make it thrice if you have 100. And this is something that is happening with a lot of people with few account. You'll hear someone, oh, my friend, that thing blew my account. If you follow that guy closely, what was your equity? It was $100. My friend, I always feel sorry for you. But if you can train yourself to grow your account from 5%, this means you are good to go. If you can make even $5 out of $100, you are good to go. This does not mean close your terminal and go. No, allow the EA to continue chasing the market for you. So you can set, if you have $100, you can set this one strategy, not only for Fisher, any of the EA, allow one strategy and set account profit target $5, right? So that every time the EA hits $5, it will close the trades automatically, and that is the 5% of your account, right? Then when your account grow to $200, then you can activate the second EA. Now, this means that your account will start growing fast because now it can grow now with 2 positions. So to get into $10, it will be very easy. You can let it grow also with only that $5. Then, because if it can open several positions, because this means it can open 2 positions at once. So assume you have, like the way we had there, 100, boom, 100, jump 75, those are 2, those are 4 positions. This is what we are talking about, the money management. You must learn this. You must take this into a paper or in your mind to know that opening 2 EAs, if 2 of the indexes get the trades, those are 4 trades. This is why I'm telling you here, it is good to be, you can work with only this one until you get like $300. But that, it will depend with you, because if if it can take like 4 or 3 indexes, those means there will be 3 or 4 positions opened in your account. So when we talk about the risk management, we talked about that you can you are the one to take care of your account. You really need to understand what you're working with. You really need to know how to manage or how to set your system in order to have a good money management. Now you can see, even working with this one EA or one strategy, this means it can work even with an account of $500, because a lot of indexes here, they can get entries in that day. How many positions do you think you will get in that day? So don't just open this. This is an offer that we give to our traders. Instead of buying thousands of hundreds or tens of of a system outside there, it is good to have them even in one system. So we give you that you can trade with these 3 EAs in one system. So buying one system here, like Fisher, it's like you have bought 3 EAs. It's a very, very, very advantage and cool to all members of TFX company. All our EAs, we don't have one EA. One EA contains 3, 4, 5, even 6 EAs in one. So manage them by deactivating some and allow like 1 or 2 according to your account, and grow your account from 5%, 10%, 30% every day with risk management or money management. My friend, that using proper management, let me tell you, you will survive in Forex market, you will grow, you will go. You can imagine one day with $10,000, targeting only 5% in every position or in every trade. How much will you be making? It's more than $500 every day, and you will never blow that account. Why don't you know that when maybe you are rejecting $5 because you have $100, you should know that $5 you are rejecting, one day it will be $500, it will be $5,000, and it will be even more than $10,000 if you train yourself to be disciplined. And trust me, our system cannot blow your account if you follow what I'm telling you now. I'm sharing a lot with you guys to control and to manage your account. Don't just open 5 positions. No. The result there on our Telegram, they are not editable. They are real, my friend. But how do we do this? This is why I'm sharing with you, because you invest to our system. You really need to know this so that you can be profitable, because we know you have been discouraged by a lot of systems there outside. Even maybe our first system, when we began to program this system, we know there was a lot of challenges there from the beginning. But now we have already concluded, and now we have full analysis system. What are you doing there outside? This is why I always say, if you bought our system, the updates are free. This is why we want everyone to have these systems, guys. This is why we want everyone to be free and to start making money at your comfort zone, right, guys? This is why we are allowing you now to pay the system in installment, because we want you to have it to save your time, guys, and to make money. But my prayer to you guys, it is to use money management. It is to be disciplined. And because you can't do this alone, this is why we are giving you mentorship, so that you can understand what to activate and what not to activate according to your account. And you are very lucky, because purchasing our system, you get a lot of EAs in the same system. So you will never look for another system there outside. Allow us to mentor you and share with us, or talk to us, whatever you're seeing, like maybe there is a challenge, we can help you out so that you can manage your account, you can set your system. So get ready. If you're outside there struggling to have the system, my friend, we are giving you offer or this opportunity to pay in installment. The moment you finish, you get the system. It is good to invest. It is good to invest with something that will add value in your life. It is good to invest to something that will pay back than struggling there, losing a lot of money. Then some days you will regret, I wish I bought the system from TFX, because I have lost a lot of money that would have bought the system. So this is why we are giving you this chance to buy the system even with installment. But if you are able, just take it once and start making money. Don't waste time. So guys, I do believe now we are continue analyzing the market one by one with our system. And I think now you are still getting this into your mind of why you should deactivate some EAs that will depend or according to your account, then you are good to go. So guys, I do believe we'll continue sharing more lights and secret, my friend, because we want you to be profitable. Thank you so much, guys. And once again, welcome to TFX family. Let us make this happen. Thank you.